welcome to the Sustainability Premier event here focused on the Rhine-Ruhr area right out of Düsseldorf. Today we had the chance to invite and work with over 30 corporations from the region.
The greatest challenge humankind is facing is climate change. And that's also the challenge we are facing here in the Rhine-Ruhr region.
As a transport company, we do have a lot of emissions from aviation, road fuel, and therefore replacing those fuel is a big challenge for us. But also in areas that are more innovative, like packaging solutions. So there's actually a huge variety of topics that are at our hand, and we have to act now.
So startups help us to get access to technologies and business models which we could not have developed ourselves. And so startups is actually for us an important part of our ecosystem doing innovation per se, and in particular for sustainability, I think this is very important.
We want to bring the best tech, the best startups from all over the world to Rhine-Ruhr, to introduce them to our strategic partners on the platform in order to collaborate with these tech companies to find better ways to produce cleaner energy, to make greener materials and products, to find more efficient processes, and do this all together and fast.
One big advantage of this area is that we can really bring together what belongs together, and that is cross-organizational collaboration, including the corporates, including the universities and academic institutions, and last but not least, also the startup community.
There's so much opportunity sitting in the supply chain when it comes to sustainability. So for example, the raw material producers, the chemical industry which sits in the midstream part, and then the big corporates, the OEMs, which then do the manufacture, the final manufacture. And we have to start working together in order to achieve net zero.
And this is exactly what we are aiming to do. Our goal is to bring leading corporations from the Rhine-Ruhr region together to work jointly on sustainability activities by connecting them worldwide to the best startups. Welcome to Plug and Play Rhine-Ruhr.